unfortunate events. I am on the Thanksgiving ride, or I was on the Thanksgiving ride, and the guy in front of me wasn't paying attention and bumped his bike into the guy ahead of me, and he went down. He almost took me down. Ended up breaking my fairing off here. The damage is not too bad. I don't really care, it's just the fairing. But the tabs broke off, so I can't fucking put it back on. I'm trying to get this, my rubber band I had on my arm. I'm trying to detach one of these just to, like, I can put it on something, because I have nothing to, you know, just re-secure it. I'm trying to think of something. Well, that's gonna have to do. This shit is hanging off, and I got it re-secured with hairband here that I was wearing on my wrist, so just gonna rock out with that. Fucking, I don't know where the rest of the guys went. I'm gonna try to call my buddy Alex and see if he can text me the address, and hopefully that doesn't fly off. So fingers crossed. I'll take him back in if I catch up to the guys, or this may just end here. And yeah, it sucks, but things happen. Just gotta move forward. Well, we are back in my garage. Bit bummed out, but nonetheless, bike is back. I was gonna say in one piece, but it's not the case. You know, the damage isn't that bad. I just need to buy screws and little tabby bits. The little, if you have R1, there's little tabs that are like a hook right here and there, and you kind of push the fairing on and then screw in the little bolts. Those are broken off, so that's just where I'm at with it. Yeah, not really much to say. You know, came out to enjoy the ride, but have to deal with this. But you know, things happen, you know, and you know, with the amount of people going to the ride and stuff, things like this can happen. I mean, we had a good turnout. Sucks I couldn't finish the ride. Yeah, my buddy Alex was there, got to see him. He's gonna finish up the rest of the ride and see if I can get some footage from him, but as for me, that's it. I was gonna thug it out and finish the rest of it, but nah, because I have to work later on tonight, so. But in other news, I'm in the garage now, so moved into my new place. Probably not gonna show that, but maybe I'll do like a room tour or something, but this is what y'all are gonna get for right now. Moved into a house, and got a garage now, so I could do some more content bike-wise, you know, maintenance kind of stuff, and yeah, got those planned, and yeah, I'm just grateful to have a garage so I can work on my bike now and not have to take it to a place when I can do, like, you know, simple stuff like oil changes, coolant changes, simple stuff like that. Bit of a mess on this side, but this is kind of all my space. The rest of that is kind of like my family stuff, so yeah, I got plans. If you're watching the video from the Thanksgiving ride, happy Thanksgivings to you all. hope you guys enjoyed the rest of that ride for me. And yeah, see you. Geez, this was already like a video overdue for me, and now this is gonna set me back a bit longer now because I gotta go online and order these bolts. But yeah, I will see you when I see you, I guess, and hopefully the bike running as well. So until next time, say bye, Mittens. Mittens says bye. See you.